So we have the C-Class and the E-Class. What model is right for you? Basically, when you look at our lineup, the C-Class is going to be before the E-Class in size. So the C-Class is going to be slightly smaller, it's going to be slightly more compact, and a little bit more sporty. However, if you're looking at a BMW 3 Series at our BMW at Peabody store, I would say that the BMW is going to be a little bit more sporty than this car and a little bit more driver focused. However, if you're looking for something that's a little bit more relaxed, something you can take on long journeys and have a very luxurious experience between this and the 3 Series, I'd probably choose this. If you're looking for Mercedes specific design language, so you have a very classic Mercedes front with the Mercedes-Benz star here in the center, which is part of the AMG line. That's the aggressive bumpers. This car is definitely serving aggressive. On the inside, we also have Mercedes slanted screen, which of course has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It of course has ambient lighting, heads-up display, heated seats, heated steering wheel. Essentially everything that you can imagine in a Mercedes, you can of course have in this car. Moving up to the E-Class. How does this compare to the C-Class and why you would choose this car? I would say if you want a little bit more space. This car is wider, longer, and just a more closer relative to the S-Class. This car also was recently designed in the past couple years. So you're gonna see a very similar resemblance between this and the S-Class car, which is the top dog in the lineup. This car is very comfortable. Even if you get the more sporty front bumpers like the one that this car has, it's mainly just appearance, and the suspension and everything in the driving style is gonna be pretty comfortable. I would say that in this specific car, if you're looking for the most tech, the most design, and the most recent Mercedes-Benz design language, so like the big screens, you can have a hyper screen on the inside if you really wanted. That's a screen that goes from one side of the car to the other, which is really cool. I would say that this car is probably suited more to you. You can also opt this car for pretty much anything that you want. And if you're not sure if the E-Class is enough size for you, we of course have our SUV lineup where we can range from a compact SUV up to the biggest SUV, which is the GLS. Or if you want to stick with sedans, you can also get this in the S-Class model, which is our top dog. That's the best of the best. However, sitting with both of these cars right here, the comparable features are the fact that they're mild hybrids, so they're very efficient, and they're also very good looking. Both of the cars that you see here today, the 2025 C300 and the 2026 E350, are available here at Mercedes-Benz of Burlington, part of the Lionwa Auto Group.